All right, folks. Do you have a recipe that calls for roasted red peppers? Here's a little quick tutorial on how to make your own roasted red peppers at home. All you need is a wire rack, a red pepper, and some olive oil. So just douse the peppers with some olive oil. Put the wire rack right on top of your burner. Trust me, this is quite safe. Medium high heat, a little bit of olive oil, and roast your peppers just like this. It's not complicated. Just keep flipping it so they don't burn too much, but you want a nice char on them, just like that one. Look at that. Simple and easy. Keep roasting them. Flip them so that you can get an even char all over. Folks, this is great for pastas, stews, salads, any recipe out there that calls for roasted peppers, and anything you make at home or fresh or by yourself tastes that much better. Visually enhancing. Oh, this is beautiful. Smells really nice. All right, these are ready. Put them in a glass bowl. There we go. So you want to cover this with some pepper. Let them rest so they cool to the touch. All right, you want to just peel off. They'll peel off easily. Just peel off some of the char. You can leave a little bit on there. You can leave all of it on there if you like a bitter one, but I just peel off a little bit of it and leave about a quarter of the char on there, just like that. They peel off easily. Yeah, make sure these are cool enough to work with. Fantastic. All right, slice it through. Should cut off really easy. Get off the seeds, and this is what you got. And you have roasted red peppers. You can use any color peppers, but of course red is just sweeter, more commonly used. I find green to be a little bit bitter. Yellow is more sweeter. Orange is, of course, more visually appealing, but roasted red pepper are your most commonly used ingredient. And just keep working them out. You don't have to take all the seeds out. You can rinse them. Once this is done, you can use them in your recipe, or you can store them in a jar with water, oil. They will keep for a moment, and you can use them as need be. Hope you enjoyed this. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a great day. Roasted red peppers.